Demons can't help but not hate, man.
Dummy! Let's go! Alright, what's good YouTube? Welcome to the second part of my sound breathing progression. If y'all haven't watched my first video, I'll have a link right up here, or you can also check it out on my channel. But yeah, I'd recommend watching that just so you can get caught up about what I'm about to do in this video. Or you can just do whatever you want, I don't even care. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into it. Alright, so as you can see, my sword is a different color. I did end up re-rolling it for a different variant. You know, I ended up with this. It's not the black and gold I wanted, but no, I had way worse ones, so I'll just take this for now. But yeah, I did do a little bit of grinding off camera. I got to Kano rank, and I got like, yeah, 4 new skills and total concentration. So I didn't put my stat points in yet, but in this video I am going to. I have 63, and I got a bunch of nodes from these events, so I'm thinking just going 25 strength, 20 intelligence, and like 20 constitution for now. So I'll just do that.
Okay. And then constitution.
Alright, now we're finally gonna get some stalkers in our missions. You know, I'm feeling pretty hyped right now. I finally get to experience that sound PvP. So let's just queue it right now. Alright, so we finally in. I got a patrol mission, bro. I mean, I hate these. It's whatever. I'm gonna just check the drip shop for now. Try to find something that can match my sword. Okay, what we working with? What we working with? Ooh. Well, I'm gonna get these earrings. Yeah, little green earrings to match my sword. Yes, sir! Yeah, but these demons are gonna take forever. I hope a stalker comes before the demon spawns so I could get those ones off first before I get jumped. But, man, anything can happen. Oh, the demons finally spawn. I'm kind of scared though. Like, what if a stalker joins midway? Nah. I got it. I'm clutch like that. One. There. Dash. Oh my. Oh. Bro, how's he not dead? Just one. Next demon. I dashed! I don't even know how that hit me. Oh yeah. Alright, last demon. Dash. Lightweight. Yeah, I'm starting to feel a lot stronger. What is this? Gain flow for your surge ultimate at an increase. Nah, we don't need this yet. We don't got surge. Alright, look, I'm gonna put y'all on free game right now. If you join a small server as a slayer, like I just did right now, 4 people, you're gonna get a mission right away. Watch. Right there. Easy. Oh my god, another patrol. It's already been like a minute and a half. I still haven't gotten a stalker yet. I'm surprised. Like, I'm just trying to get some content for y'all. Oh, I spoke too soon. Alright, we got a stalker. First stalker of the progression. Let's get it. Well, I'm gonna turn on my graphics quality. I gotta lock in. Hold on. Yep. Oh yeah, this gotta be light. This is gonna be so easy. Oh my god, bro. Alright, so we need to run it back. Alright, that was just a warm-up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still getting kind of used to these skills, so oh my. Yo, I parried. And I dashed, yo. Okay, hold on. Oh. Yo! Oh my god, bro, I dashed! We'll talk about that last time, alright? Oh my god, I got a stalker. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh. So what do you? Oh. That. Oh. Fudge.
What? Dude. Don't go healing. If you heal, you're gay.
Demons can't help but not heal, bro.
Dummy! Let's go! I'm really like that. I need constant bleeding so bad. Nah, but I'm not gonna lie, sound is tough. Like it looks so nice. It's light work. Is that the, this is the last one? Dead! He's not dead. Alright, we got a stalker though. Ace of my redemption right here. It's taking for him to load in though. Where did he come from? Nah, this is actually crazy. Alright, yeah, we're good. Now we're gonna run ones. But this guy's kinda good. I'm better though. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This guy won't die. He won't die. Oh my god. I dashed! Yo! Alright, let's go! Let's go! Oh my god! Alright, I don't know if it's too early to be saying this, but man, this build feeling real nice. Whoops. Oh my god, I do have a stalker. Alright. I just got a left blade sweep, so this fight should be a little bit easier. Alright, let's go. He's a Tatsu? Alright. Oh yeah, this guy sucks. Okay, wait, hold on. Well, I suck. Should have been a parry. That was a parry too? I parried that. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, we don't need this. Yo, I'm telling you, this build is tough. I'm just missing my parries. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know how I managed to cut off his limbs that many times. Shit, I'll take it. Alright, last demon. I'm gonna flawless this watch. Alright, never mind. We didn't even level up though. Alright, so far we on a 4-game winning streak right now. I'm telling you, this build's gonna be nice. Yeah, but hey, we just ranked up to sushi now, so this XP coming in fast. And we leveled up nice. That's where I dashed. Hey, where the stock is at? I thought they'd be here by now. I'm ready for them to pull up. Alright, I guess no stalker. What is this? No stalker? Nah. Risk taker? Nah. That's it for this progression. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.